What is it? A bird's on the ceiling fan. What is it, Kibby? Where's he at? Where'd he go? What's he doing up there? What? What?